resolve that I will preserve, protect, and defend. The result, just sworn in as the Deputy Governor of Edo State. Ladies and
Today, you are officially giving me the mandate to preside over our dear state as governor for the next 4 years. We will not betray this confidence you have imposed in me and the deputy governor. The welfare of our citizens is a top priority for us. To achieve this, we shall implement programs carefully outlined in my 5-point agenda, designed to grow a robust economic growth and improve the lives of our people. The deplorable condition of our roads has made it difficult for people to move from one part of the state to another. Our policy to develop road infrastructure is targeted at constructing roads, drainages, and bridges to ease transportation for all. We shall immediately commence work to make the road motorable again. My administration shall support small businesses and market women with soft loans. Our teeming youth population will not be left out. We shall support them to acquire relevant skills. My administration shall immediately swing into action to recruit teachers and build the deplorable classrooms. Tertiary education that my administration shall support the decision of the federal government to uphold the Oba of Benin as the exclusive owner of the returned artifact. Recall that on the 17th of June 2019, 14 members of Edo State House of Assembly were denied inauguration into the seventh Assembly. It was a big blow to our democracy. My administration is setting up a panel of inquiry to investigate the remote cause of this incident.
This division is the first obstacle a leader must overcome in order to deliver the promises made to the people. The election is over, and any atmosphere that nourishes an as-per-se mentality must be dismantled instantly. While some may seek to disrupt peace after the will of the people has been expressed, every elected leader has a duty that extends to all, including those who may have voted differently or those who ran against them. Animosity should never have a place in the course of governance. The election of Senator Monday Okpebholo and Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa as governor and deputy governor is not the victory of one man, but the achievement of an entire state.